She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Look at this baby. This is my very first silicone. He's not painted yet. He has a little tongue and he has little gums. Let me show you. They're up in there. They're in there. I want to mess them up. Let's see if you can see. They're up in there. There they are. This is the Mishka sculpt by Elena Westbrook. I'm calling him Squeezy. I'll be painting him within the next few weeks. He is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Look at this little man. I have him wrapped up in a white cloth baby diaper. Okay. Here's his little hands. Hi. Very poseable. Very squeezable. What I got to do is wash him down with naphtha and then give him a bubble bath. Then start the process. What you do is with the naphtha, it takes off all the residue from the mold to get the baby out. And then I will start painting him. And I just can't believe this baby. Here's his other little hand. Say hi. There he is. There he goes. I love this baby. So stay tuned for his painting coming up within the next few weeks. Signing off, this is Rosanna from Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery. Check me out on Facebook and Instagram, Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery.